You're over there in a one-light town. Well, I'm in a town that has very few lights, too, so not like you can run out and just pick one up somewhere. Hey, Forrest Gump, I heard a bunch of them in there. I heard train coming in. I heard train coming in there. I'm going to wave at him. I'm going to try to work my way around the dial and try to move this rotor. Try to put in each one of the doggone states. Oh, my gum, 222, easing this thing back.
Keeler and Jenner.
I'll tell you what, you're cruising it too. You sound real good. Real good. Hi-fi sound. Hey, train. What's wrong? Oh, 222 right back with a mundane wave. Let's go.
CXM 2525. Great Lake. Stand by.
About that, George. Detroit, Michigan. Looking for that state of Georgia. Train, that sounded real good. I heard 445 E's up in there, too. I heard 445 E's up in there, too, in the beginning, but the talk show going on, train sounding good. Great stereo sound, man. Beautiful. What's it? Now one more time. Phantom 309. I'm enjoying my first day of vacation. I spent the day doing a bunch of stuff around us. I spent the day with a sweet one. And right now, me and my son are going to enjoy a nice father-son time. He went to go pick up we're going to sit back and have a father-son time tonight. He must be up himself. Hey, train, more train. Oh, 222, slow rolling. He's 250 bird walking on through your town. What you think?
That's right.
He's still on the key.
How about 449, 445, screwdriver rolling. He's in the cornfield. How about 445, screwdriver. 29, you copy, Detroit. Hey, big standing by.
Bye, train. Hey, train. Old Gumpy down in there. I wanted to say hello to you. Old Gumpy down. I wanted to say hello to you. So I'm rolling that good nickel. Stick it in your right pocket. Hey, train. You take care. You sounded real good from there. 445 in there, too, when you first keyed up. Hey, Richard, I'm going to get down to it. And I heard 29 E's up in there, too. Hey, Worldwide Train, have a real good evening, man. And for the same person, I'm waving at you, and 29, you got a hammer down also. Well, Forrest Gump's out there, and doggone, he's in the possum mode. He's playing possum. Hello, 445, Richard. 29, hello, Train, hello, Gump, 222 in Illinois. This hammer got down.
Yawn, big yawn, 307, 387, Indiana Way.
29, 29, 29, 29, 29, 29. Hey, 29, oh, deuces, right back, wave.
Gump, 498, standing by, Missouri.
Hello, Forrest Gump. Hello, Forrest Gump, let's see at 343 in the swing ratio. Hello, Forrest Gump, 343, 410. Take care, Train. Gump's easing back. Oh, Gump's easing back. Train's going 10-7. Hey, 445, I'm going to talk to you now, 445. Hey, 445, I'm going to do a little broadcast and then talk to you right now. I'm going to put the antenna up around the Magnolia right there. 445, 222, your friend waving. 445. Worldwide 445. Hey, 445, you sounding good, looking good? Woo! Nice to have you in my radio finally. My longtime friend Richard down in a mag, 222, working a little hammer, got down.
For the candlestick jumping up and down. Candlestick jumping up and down. We just Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack down for the candlestick. We're getting by. Big John, take care till we do it again. Surgery
Countywide with one light. 410, take care, 445. Hey, 445, have a good evening. I'm going to be out here all night, man. As long as Mother Nature allows, I'm going to be out here. I'm ready to rock and roll and do a little broadcasting. 445, take care. And Gump, you said you're countywide. I'm just going to say I'm getting wide. If I keep eating pizza, I'm going to get wide. 445, we'll see you. Hey, Gump, behave yourself. 222 got down.
Hey, it's coming from all around. There was more down Florida, though, man.